mean, Anjani, I know that you want to focus on immigration. No shortage of massive immigration issues that have come out of the last administration and the one right now. There's Title 42 that's going on, the Remain in Mexico. Supreme Court dealt with that, gave the Biden administration and went on that, but Title 42 is still there. I mean, that's just a small example of some of the issues that are going on, and that's just on the border. That doesn't encompass all immigration issues, but are you still focusing on that, you think, when you graduate from law school, or has the recent kind of slew of what I will editorialize say are bad decisions from SCOTUS changing your mind as well as it did for Catherine?
Yeah, I'm still planning to do immigration law. That's kind of always been my compass. This summer, I'm working at a public defender's office in New York in their immigration practice. And so you're seeing the overlay of immigration issues with criminal issues, with family issues, with civil issues. And it's like all of that together. Obviously, there are severe impacts on this population of folks that we're working with, given this term's decisions. But, for a long time, immigration has been a punching bag. It's been used as a bargaining chip by our government. The Dreamers, they've been used as a bargaining chip. And, I think, folks in this room, they'll say, obviously I'm angry, obviously I'm upset, but for so long, immigration advocates have been dealing with this, and our populations have not had access to abortion rights. They've not had access to interstate travel. And so I think, we have been preparing for this in the immigration world. We have always dealt with these issues. And so to the extent that it's new or different, it is for a different population of people. And so, yeah, I'm still walking that path. I think it's the most vulnerable group of people that, you can work with in this country. And I say that with a grain of salt, of course, because I hope someday that there are more rights afforded to undocumented folks and people who are seeking immigration relief, and that the system becomes better. But that's my path. I'm still walking it, and we'll see how it goes. And hopefully I don't get burnt out in the process, but I'm working on that too. So it's a journey.